Okay, so to change the language settings to your favorite language on your DSTV channel, what you need to do is to pick up your remote, pick your DSTV remote, and then you press on the DSTV logo, this blue button over here on the new remote. Then you come to the DSTV menu. Here you look for settings. We use the left and right arrow keys over here, and then you look for settings. Come to settings, you move down to user preferences, the first one, then you press OK. So here you move down to video and audio. So when you come to this page, this is where you are going to change to your favorite language. So with the default language over here, which is English, you can change it to any language that you want. You search from the list, the available languages. So you have here Portuguese and other languages. And then you can move down. You move down to alternative language over here. So in case your default language, if you have selected French, and the channel that you are about to watch does not have French language, it will turn to your default your alternative language over here. So you need to set your alternative language as well, in case the default language that you have chosen is not available on the channel that you are watching or the series that you are watching. So you change your alternative language over here to any alternative language that you want, and then you can add subtitles as well. Come to subtitles, and then you change it to any favorite language that you want: English, Portuguese, French. Okay, so after that, you move back, then it will be saved automatically. Alright, thanks for watching.